In this video, I'll show you how to add a call or WhatsApp button to Facebook posts. Before we begin, it's important to know that Facebook doesn't currently allow you to attach a clickable call or WhatsApp button directly to a regular Facebook post. However, if you manage a Facebook page, you can add these action buttons to your page and include your contact information or a link in your posts. To get started, open the Facebook app and sign in to the account that manages your Facebook page. Tap the menu icon, then switch to your page if needed. Go to your page settings or professional dashboard, then look for Action button, Edit Action button, or Business Tools, depending on your app version. From there, choose Call Now or WhatsApp if the option is available. Then follow the prompts to add your phone number or connect your WhatsApp business account. After saving the changes, create a new Facebook post by tapping Create Post. Add your caption, photos, or video, and let your audience know they can tap the call or WhatsApp button on your page to contact you. You can also include your phone number or a WhatsApp link in the post for additional convenience. Review your post, then tap Post or Publish to share it. Keep in mind that available action buttons may vary depending on your page category, region, and app version. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.